Right, well, everyone get settled in. We should have the data out here shortly. Keep a close eye on your spread. And again, if we do get conflicting data, I will look to close out. Everything came out as a buy, so let's see how this thing runs for us. All right, I'm already out. Took me out with 20 pips really quickly. Again, it hit our target. Um, Ideally, everyone should be out of this by now. It did hit our 20 pip target. If you're not out of this, I would, definitely at least lock in some profits. Make sure that you have locked in some profit, and clear at least half of it if you're not out of everything at this point. But for me, it actually, as you can see, the little arrow kicked me out with my 20 pips almost instantly. So it was a pretty good trade, pretty cut and dry. Um, Again, if you're in this, you want to make sure that you at least close out some of your trade and lock in. I am completely out of this personally. I've taken my 20 pips and literally within probably a second or two, the trade's done. So let me know if anyone is in this still. If we have anyone still in the trade, let me know. Drop down here to a smaller compression where you can get a better view of what happened. Again, data came out, it went right to our 78 target, stopped, and my anticipation with the numbers that we got, very strong. We'll probably get another 20 or 30 pips out of this, to be honest with you. But again, for me, I've taken 20 pips and kind of took the money and run. But I do believe we'll get another 20 or so pips out of it. Ideally, we would have closed half and then held the other half. But as I said, coming into this release, due to the rocky reaction we've had in the past on this particular piece of data, I didn't want to risk the additional margin. So obviously, that limits, you're limited somewhat by that, because in decreasing the leverage, I opted to not hold any portion of it and take it all out of the first target.